Hi everyone, welcome back. Jojo and
Shutzpah.
क्यों
Why we क्या?
No,
Why
no,
we so?
why
No,
you
I was just saying why we be serious and all.
yeah no
Yeah?
क्यों आप इतनी relax लग रही हैं is what I was going to ask.
अच्छा मुझे लगा इतना गैप हो गया बीच में क्या बोल रही है समझ नहीं आ रहा था मेरे को हमें तो रिलैक्स इसलिए है बिकॉज़ उसके लिए कोई एक्सक्यूज चाहिए क्यों
That's also because I was thinking of what to say after. That's what. Yeah.
क्यों
क्यों
जो सोचने का
basically
नहीं बस करने का
I
क्यों
know. Basically, it's either what everyone we probably know by now. We're acting so dumb. For everyone who thought we've forgotten Baya the album, we have not. We have not, and I apologize. There's been too much of a gap. I know the gap is because all the new releases started happening, and then I did forget about it for a bit, and then I remembered again because the No mixtape dropped. Yeah, so that we were covering all those songs. I think we covered like 4 of the videos that dropped from it, 3 or 4. And now we've not forgotten the No mixtape. We covered all the songs that they released a video for. So if there's others that don't have a video that you think we should cover, then drop a comment for that. Abhi ke liye, let's get back to Baya album. This was the next one I think on the track list, and it has a video. So let's just do it. It's been too long. Chalo.
Yeah.
Q produced by Says on the Beat. 1, see them all. 1, 2, 3, play.
Azadi Records.
Head falling off is too funny.
ट्यूसडे को चिकन खाता है, सिगरेट पीता है, दारू पीता है, नशे करता है, मंदिर नहीं जाता, अरे लड़कीबाजी करता है पूरा दिन, फेल हुआ था, पैर नहीं छूता, इसको जाने नहीं दे सकते, पैर ही नहीं छूता, ये तो कौन है ये? किधर हूँ मैं? अबे दरवाजा खोल, दरवाजा खोल क्यों नहीं रहा ये कोई? आवाज़ें कहाँ से आ रही है ये? ओए दरवाजा खोलो कोई। अबे वहाँ पे कोई नहीं सुनता था, अब तो सुन लो, दरवाजा खोलो। ये आवाज़ें क्यों है यहाँ पे? क्यों? सुनो, अगर तुम लोग नहीं खोल रहे ना, मैं तोड़ के आ जाऊंगा। तुम्हें पता नहीं क्या हूँ मैं, ठीक है? 3 तक गिन रहा हूँ, 1, 2।
ऐसा लगे आज छीन के ही लेना है, जो लेना है दिलाने वाला कोई नहीं है। यहाँ सुना है तो आगे खोलो, सो तेरे पीछे यहाँ सुलाने वाला हर कोई है। आगे खोलो देखो, आगे खोलो देखो, बापू बोले कोई गाल पे तमाचा दे तो दूजा भी उसी के आगे दे दो। मैं बोला क्यों हाँ, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, दहाड़ू जैसे किंग कॉन्ग भागे सारे कीड़े, कभी सपने थे फीके, अब ये मुझे को खरीदे पड़े पीछे मेरे। क्यों हाँ, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, है घिसा मैंने 3 साल खुद को, मैं जागा 3 रात, आँख लाल मेरी लिखी 3 बात तेरे लिए। फिर क्यों हाँ, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ये जो एक बार चली जाए वो बाजी फिर लौट के ना आए, खो जाए कहाँ जाए वो हो जाए बेटा। क्यों हाँ, तो फिर ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों। ये वक्त तेरा आका है, यही तेरा दोस्त तेरा सांझा है, ये खाओ भर जाता है, यही खाओ कर जाता। चला हाथों की लकीरों पे निगाहें करी तीखी, महंगी पड़ी बड़ी ज्यादा, जो सलाहें ली थी फीकी लिखी बीती पड़ी बाधा थी, किताबें मेरी फीकी जीती घड़ी घड़ी, आशा करी मिर्ची भी मीठी, मारी सीटी पूरा देश घूम गया, दिल की सुनी तो पूरा देश मूत गया। 1 महीना खिंचेगा तेरा हफ्ता, दे आशिकों को यहाँ पे कलेश चूम गया था मैं, बैठा कोने में थी नजरें सभी पे, जिगरानी किसी पे ये थी के, पैसों के पुजारी बने फिर इनकी बत्तियां बना दी, फिर जला दिया वो भी बिना घी के। मौत आए सीधे सीधे होते काश के ये परे निकले, ये चीनी से भी ज्यादा मीठे, मेरा वक्त हाथ से निकले हो जैसे रे, देख के भी दिखे ना ये झूठ था सफेद शायद, सही और गलत अब कोई मायने ना रखे मेरे लिए, हूँ मैं एक गायक एक लायक एक नायक, लेके चलूं अपने ऊपर एक दायित्व कि तू दुनिया मेरी नजरों से भी देख शायद पाएगा कभी। पूरा खेल यहाँ हाथ धरे बैठा, मेरा काम शमशान था बनाना, तेरे लिए ज्ञान मैंने बांटा, फिर झांक मेरी आंखों में और बोल मुझे क्यों हाँ, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, दहाड़ू जैसे किंग कॉन्ग भागे सारे कीड़े, कभी सपने थे फीके, अब ये मुझे को खरीदे पड़े पीछे मेरे। क्यों हाँ, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, है घिसा मैंने 3 साल खुद को, मैं जागा 3 रात, आँख लाल मेरी लिखी 3 बात तेरे लिए। फिर क्यों हाँ, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, था जीना पूरा घर बार, कब कहते ठीक की काली नजरें गड़ाए बैठे कीड़े पड़े इन्हें पड़े पीछे मेरे। क्यों हाँ, तो फिर ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों। जनाब, दिन आज का हो या राजाओं के जमाने का, इंसान साला हर डर से निकल गया है। चोरी का, नशे का, जिंदगी का डर, एक डर रह गया, समाज का डर है।
इन सब ने हक करी दुनिया की, मानेगा तो हर घड़ी हद करी, पुड़िया निकालेगा तो सब तेरी हर कली हट करी। हुलिया की सुनेगा किसी की, खुद है जो किलसा सभी से ऐसी गांडू करे हरकती। क्यों बनी तुम्हारे लिए सूली पर चढ़ते तुम सर पर ही, क्यों पैसा नशा प्यारे बनने लगा दल दल। ये ना छोड़े कभी होने लगी खलबली, क्यों ना निकले मुंह से इनके चुअब। बहुतों की कभी मेरी छवि कभी पाओगे ना छुअब, मैं भाव भी ना दूं भले सड़े लगे बुरा, जैसे बड़े गले लगे छुरी खोपे पीछे लगा कि गोली गई छू करे। अपने भी तोड़े दिल क्यों पर, सालों से चारों के बीच क्यों डर, क्यों कर गौर और इन्हीं बातों पे फूक कर। ट्रिप फंसी क्यों सदी है बस ये झूठ पर है थूत पर, देने का तो मन भिड़ेगा तो गंद फैलेगा। सहले क्या कह लेगा, करूं हशर ऐसा भेड़ा अगर तेरे चेहरे का। कह रहे क्यों कहने का, बस फटी जब सुना सच है पूरा देश घूम गया। खुद की सुनी तो सारा गेम रूल किया, माता भग के चढ़ेगी ज्यादा फुद्दी मिलेगी, सारी बुद्धि सूझी तो पूरा बेस भूल गया। भला
क्यों हाँ ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, दहाड़ू जैसे किंग कॉन्ग भागे सारे कीड़े, कभी सपने थे फीके अब ये मुझी को खरीदे पड़े पीछे मेरे। क्यों हाँ ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, है घिसा मैंने 3 साल खुद को, मैं जागा 3 रात आँख लाल मेरी लिखी 3 बात तेरे लिए। फिर क्यों हाँ ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ये जो एक बार चली जाए वो बाजी फिर लौट के ना आए, खो जाए कहाँ जाए वो हो जाए बेटा। क्यों हाँ तो फिर ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों, ऐसे ही जाने दो क्यों।
What a shot. Freaking hell. The video. Everything. I can't. I literally like I'm exhausted from the awesomeness of this entire thing that we just saw.
I like that. You're exhausted with the awesomeness of this song. भारी गाना था यार, but I have to say,
I'm
बहुत ही भारी गाना था, yeah.
sorry, I'm literally feeling exhausted. There was too much awesomeness packed into this 5 minutes,
Yeah.
54 seconds.
And also at no point did it feel like, you know, a verse was being created to just create it. It was more like it's everything one is feeling, everything one is struggling with and saying, why, but kyun? And then putting all of it down just like a discussion and just putting it out there. But like, what a discussion. Agar itna articulated, itna beautifully articulation mein agar hum koi discussion kar paate, to kya baat thi. But like, wow. All thoughts, ideas put forth and then put forth so well. And then said that, why do we talk about all this only under the influence of a certain, you know, like he had said that why जब कोई drug लेते हैं तब हम, या जब कोई फूकते हैं तब हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. These are things that need to be discussed like generally, and we need to actually like just calibrate as to where are we going, what are we doing, and why this. बाकी सारे डर पीछे रहेगा, ये समाज का डर कैसा होगा, क्यों होगा, why does it still exist? सब इतनी नोक झोंक क्यों करते हैं?
It's so like true. You know, they're really trying to wake people up with a song like this. Like my takeaway is that their aim was that, and it's really like the way they've packaged it and the way they've put it all, like right from the starting of the video with the little story going on and all the dialogues happening. The one-liners that everybody probably gets to hear regularly in their lives growing up, ye karta hai, wo karta hai, aisa hai, waisa hai, you know, all that stuff. And then the whole like
करता नहीं, लड़कियों को भी यही सुनने को मिलता है, सारे it's like generic, सबको
generic everybody, है ना? But and so when you kind of, and here's the thing, like when you grow up in an environment like that, your mind is in that cage, you know. So even if you are an intelligent, breathing, living individual who wants to like make his own decisions, because it's kind of like you've been caged mentally for so long, you have to have something wake you up.
Correct.
You know, it could be a song like this, it could be, it's not that you're dumb or you're stupid or you don't understand things. It's just that you are just flowing with whatever's happening around you and whatever you're surrounded by. And then something comes along to make you question.
So sometimes you feel the frustration, but you don't have words for it.
Yeah.
And then you wonder that one just has to go with it. हो सकता है कि that is life, you know, because वो भी बताया जाता है कि you can't ever talk back on it. That is life. Go with it. So one goes with it.
बड़ों ने बोला, so That
Huh.
kind of.
Then you, like you said, then you hear such a song, or you have friend circle who tells you, or generally people who question things,
Yeah.
and then you find the courage to question it.
Yeah.
So that's good.
It's so good because the artists are also speaking from their own life experience and what they've been surrounded by, right? So
Yeah,
it's very
yeah.
evident that they have observed these things and they've observed it as a out of body experience even. And so
Yeah.
for them to then sit and step away and write about it like this, it takes a
Yeah.
lot of awareness, number one,
Yeah.
which they
Yeah.
probably haven't seen in the people around them. And to a mind that thinks that way, that why aren't people seeing this? I'm seeing it and I want to talk about it. I want to write about it.
Correct.
It can also feel very frustrating. And like there was a lot of
very.
that. There was a lot
Yeah.
of that energy also in the song. Like he's like, "Maine 3 saal se kar raha hu," whatever. There were
Correct. Yeah.
lines like that.
Another thing I really liked is the depiction of it, how they've done this. I don't know kahan pe hai, but it's a very typical neighborhood.
Yeah,
कि
exactly.
आप छत पे टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, गली के अंदर जहाँ पे लाइट आ रही है, जहाँ पे सनलाइट आ रही है, you're playing on it. These are all very childhood games one does, right?
Yeah.
So whether it's पुरानी दिल्ली का एक place, or is it Meerut, or is it like whatever area it is, I think in small towns, BC and smaller towns, सब जगह की स्टोरी यही है. तो it doesn't matter आप कहाँ से हो, the samaj, wherever samaj exists, this kind of, even the visual space of the homes, the way he was showing, they were showing, that also exists. So when they were showing that the different things one does, there was so much relatability even over there, which was driving home the point of the song even deeper. Which is why I think हमें इतना भारी लग रहा है ये गाना.
But also, which is exactly what you pointed out. The location and the video was set in a place where there's no space. So they're talking about Samaj and constantly being, so you're smack in the middle of it. You are not living in one standalone house somewhere, aas-paas bahut jagah hai before the next house comes along. This is literally like you are in the thick of it. You are in the middle of this, no space. Everyone's constantly in your business. The houses are attached to each other. The homes are all together. So there's no escaping it. You can't even go home and escape the noise from the outside. So that whole thing was getting driven with the visuals so well.
That's how it started, in fact, right? Like he's in his own, now whether that one room was his own mind, where he's escaping by using different things and staying in that room while all he gets to hear from everyone, like if you're in your head and the ears and eyes are your windows and doors, and even if you have to escape out of it, which he then does, but where do you escape into the samaj, which you want to again escape back from? So the loop of going back in your mind, coming out, but then yet again running back into it, so there is no out.
You escape with that Seedhe Maut pill or that thing he ate, no? Like that was quite fun.
Trip. Yeah.
Oh, that's what it was. Okay. I was like, what is this thing? Is it bubble? I thought it was a bubble gum. But I was like, sorry.
Yes. You're right. It was bubble gum.
It was okay. So the two guys sitting in the room with him, I'm still a little confused about. Like, what do you think they represented? They were the
samaj, which is sitting silent. It could also be your friends who are in your brain, but like they're also as dead as you, because they are as equally lost. I looked at it as multiple things, like someone side furniture within our own brain, which is just sitting quietly. Because I viewed that first kamra, which he's trying to escape out of, I took it as
his mind.
As the mind. So anything that's in it is like sitting there with him. And mostly because they showed that they're doing like, whatever, they're together and they're doing this. And it's one person's perspective. So I just looked at it as a couple of friends who are sitting together.
I looked at it as it's the angel and the devil in your mind. But
because of the whole chess thing.
Also because, that also, and also because he's trying to break out of the room, and it looks like on first, when you first see it, it looks like they are the people in charge. They're sitting behind the desk, so they're not going to let him get out of the room. But actually, they're sitting there passively. They're not doing anything. So if you want to do something, you can. But because their presence is there in the room, you stop yourself and you don't do those things. So it
I looked
could
at that
be
as like parental figures.
Like something that stops you, but that actually has no power. That's actually passive. So I don't know. It could mean whatever. If you guys know, tell us.
It's interesting. It's interesting. I think it could have multiple meanings. जिसने जो लिया समझने के लिए वो उनका.
बहुत ही intensely and well, like intense song, well thought out. And now can we just go to the beat?
क्यों नहीं?
It's just actually, no, what can we say? It says very, very so there was just something very immediately
incorporated maut aati hamesha seedhe, like that also, the way they incorporated. I loved it.
That was so good. So the verses, the minute, so the thing is, when encore finished, I was like, oh my god, I was exhausted already, and then I was like, calm is yet to come. on this track. What's gonna, and honestly, you know what? It's a 6-minute track. It's not easy
Yeah.
to carry off a 6-minute with
Wow, I didn't realize
two
it.
people's verses. It's 5
Okay,
minutes,
yeah.
54 seconds, 6 minutes.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
at no point did I feel like it was 6 minutes. I just felt like
Yeah.
I'm listening to a friend telling me what's up and talking about life in general and just whatever, letting things out. You know, when Kam's verse started, I have to, before I forget, he said, Samaj ka ye wo, the whole thing, they tell you what to do. And I remember this, like I was, and this is why I say that when you're kind of in a zone, you need a song like this or a conversation with someone who's important to you. Could be an older figure, could be a friend, could be anyone, a teacher, that will snap you out and make you ask these things and say these things out loud for the first time and actually maybe take action towards combating them or something. For me, when I was 17, and I remember this, it was in a flea market in Ibiza, and it's like I'll never forget that day because instead of exploring the flea market, I stood at this stall for 6 hours with my friend talking to this French guy who's renamed, his guru had renamed him to Vinod, and bottom line, not going to get into details. That conversation was about life and its expectations of us. And I was 17 and my friend and I, we were talking to him. And at the end of the day, because it was such a beautiful conversation, he wrote in my diary, I was like, please write something for me before I leave. And he said that you're 17, your life is starting now as a girl and as a woman. And especially like, because he spent a long time in India, this guy, he was like, don't let society tell you what to do. It's your life, own it, you know? So not exactly those words, but a long paragraph about exactly this thought. And so I was lucky in that sense that at such a young age, I became aware of this concept that I could be directed to do things by outer forces, whereas I should internalize what I want to do with my life and direct my own course.
Correct.
And I feel like that kind of a conversation is what's happening in this song. So you know, and when did it release? Jan 2019. So it's almost 3 years old now. I'm sure this song has impacted so many listeners since it released. Like I'm sure of it, you know, and I can see why See Them Out have risen in their graph the way they have, because like 3 years ago, they were writing stuff like this. And we've heard their recent stuff as well. It's just so, how do you call it? Like not only is their skill on another level
They're
now,
always talking about something.
They're always talking about something so relatable and relevant. Yeah.
Yeah. And they pick a mudda and they stick to it. And they don't just say, this is my point of view and you have to stick to this. They just present reality as is with their version of reality and generally what is expected and everything. And they kind of let you pick it up.
Talk about it, think about it.
Yeah, exactly. Which is what's amazing. And I have to say, I like right now, it's been a while since we reacted to them. Seeing them, it was almost like, oh yeah, I've missed you guys. Like, you know, there was that kind of a feeling seeing it, like looking at them in the video. I was like, oh yeah, I've missed you guys. Like, you know, so it's amazing that there's such a connection that gets formed because of their older songs, which while this might be an older song than the previous ones that we've reacted to, but there is such a connection that is built through the screen even, that when you listen to them again, you actually find that connect and you sit down and you listen. And if you can enjoy while listening and pondering upon the thought, what can be better?
What can be better? And, you know, because I feel like after seeing this, we're going in reverse because we've reacted to No, and No is like, it's now. Their energy and their even like their body language and their screen presence and a lot of things they're even saying in the No mixtape songs is very evolved. But when I listen to this, which is 3 years old, I'm like, they were already evolved. You know? It's just that you feel like, oh my God, I love this this younger See Them Out also. And
I think it's just when who discovers them when. You know, so if we discover whatever we had discovered first, we got attached to that saying, oh wow, they're so evolved now and blah blah blah, you know. And then now we're seeing the older stuff and we're thinking, 1 minute, like, you know, just because we saw that first, we thought that was their beginning, whereas it isn't. So which is stunning, because if an artist's journey can be relatable at different points and yet equally relatable, I think that's a mark of a good artist. You know that, you know, they're going to continue to be like that.
Because the following that then you gather for yourself is on the same page as you in terms of evolution and growth in your personal journeys. So because there's such a hard relate happening to what you're questioning and talking about in your song, and that journey continues and you evolve and then they evolve with you, that whole thing is what is like so noteworthy right now for us, you know. We're doing this.
I'm so fascinated right now and we're loving it.
I don't know. I don't know if they're even making sense of this whole discussion, but it's just so many thoughts coming at us. And I'm not going to say anything about their flows and their rhymes and their verses or anything, because we've said enough. freaking loved it. It was just
Yes.
too much awesomeness in one track. This reaction has gotten very long. I don't know how many minutes we're talking. But I don't know how. I don't have the track list here. If there's more songs left on Baya, let me know. Comment below. Let me know if there's any no mixtape K songs that we should cover definitely, and what else they're coming up with. You guys have all the tea,
Let us
so
know.
let us
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
DM me on Instagram. DM her also. She's her handle is below.
Thank you.
Chalo, tug, 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 tug. We're going to take your leave. Support the channel if you like and keep questioning
Bas.
things.
Aha.
क्यों पूछते रहो लाइफ में? Okay, चलो. Live long and prosper.